How to add TikTok shop to TikTok profile. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the easy way to add TikTok shop to TikTok profile. So without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch TikTok app on your device. After that, make sure to log in and sign into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. So in order to add TikTok shop to TikTok profile, tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now select the settings and privacy at bottom of the screen. Choose account which is under account at top of the screen. Tap on switch to business account. Now here are the few steps that you need to go through. Tap on the next button. And here you need to choose a category for your business account. Tap next button at bottom of the screen. If you wish to add profile photo, tap on add, otherwise tap skip. Tap skip and you're all set. So make sure that you also have the TikTok seller account in order to customize or set up your TikTok shop account. So after you have set up your TikTok shop account, about 48 hours after that, it will be helpful to add your TikTok profile on your TikTok shop. So I hope this video was helpful to add TikTok shop to TikTok profile. Do watch the video. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.